Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video I am going to show you hidden features of MacBook Air M2 or M1 or any MacBook that you have. There are many hidden features that you might not know about. So in this video I will guide you on how to access those hidden features, and these little tricks will make sure your Mac feels brand new, so stick around till the very end. First off, there are hot corners. So for that, simply go to the system settings, and in the system settings go to the desktop and dock option. Once you are in here, as you can see here, go to the hot corner. Here you can set actions for each hot corner of your screen. For example, dragging your mouse to the right side, you can instantly put your Mac to sleep. I have also set my hot corner. As you can see, if I bring my mouse to the bottom right side of my screen, the Notes app will appear on my screen. So second is quick look with spacebar. Simply click space and command or space, and here is the spotlight search. This is a very useful option to use, and there are many hidden trackpad gestures as well. You can use a trackpad to do like this. Simply you can open anything you want with your trackpad as well. So those are some awesome hidden features to try on your MacBook Air M2. Which one was your favorite? Do let us know on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more Mac tips, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.